Hey friends, if you encounter SecurityHealthSystray.exe bad image error on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is an SFC scan. How would you perform it? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. This will start scanning the system for issues and resolve them if possible. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. Now we have a script for it. So all you need to do is copy the script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. Okay, now I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs associated with them. And then it will reset WinSock, and then finally it will stop the restart the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.